This is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first and foremost, we will need to download and install the free third-party app called Caffeine. So let me do exactly that. That's a very lightweight application, so you will not use any, you will not use too much Wi-Fi data, and the download process will happen almost instantaneously, as you will see now. Then, once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, at the app itself, you've got to simply make sure that the timeout parameter was set to the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app will stay active in the background, so make sure not to close this app, your screen will not automatically turn itself off whatsoever. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.